I've said those words before, but it was now. You deserve to hear them now. All it is to say that. Why is it so to say? All it is to say that. Why am I away?
Gentlemen, good afternoon, and how are you today? I'm fine. Wow. I hope you can explain, with me to about the history of collection one by one. I think you already know. You okay? Please start from you,
Well, good morning ladies and gentlemen and all the honorable guests. Welcome to Jakarta History Museum. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia and I will guide you around to see the collection in this museum. But before that, I would like to tell you the history of this building. So, this building was built as a Dutch city hall in 25 January 1707 under the reign of Johan van Hort.
Where you come from?
I'm from Tambun.
Tambun?
Yeah.
Oh, not in the map,
Oh, yeah.
Wow, thank you. Next, to continue,
Thank you.
with Miss Mika, please. Next, to continue,
Collection.
Collection,
Well, now we are in the Tarumanegara's room, and this is the Roman copy inscription. Which is unique about the Roman copy inscription has to sound like the elephant to be named Airawata. Airawata is a transportation used by King Purnawarman, who at that time led the kingdom of Tarumanegara.
Yeah. And who the leader from Tarumanegara kingdom?
King Purnawarman.
Right. Next collection.
And now we're on Sultan Agung's room. In this room, we can see a very large painting by S. Sujoyono in 1973. The title is The Attack of Mataram Kingdom. S. Sujoyono was the father of modern art in Indonesia. This painting illustrates war which happened in 1628 and 1629 between the Mataram Kingdom and Piosis army, which was commanded by Gubernur General Abraham Jan Peter Zonkon.
And can you tell me who is the Sultan Agung?
Sultan Agung Hadikusumo is the king of the Mataram Kingdom.
Right. Next collection.
Next was a ship. This ship was used to addition to bring was for the expedition and was bring to the gate of the city of Batavia. Thus, shortly before this ship arrived at Batavia, the ship is second in Australian waters.
Right. Yeah. Next collection.
Alright, we are in room 15 where this happened. Here there is a sword of justice which has pieces with patience to execute prisoners. This punishment has two punishments, namely hanging and beheading.
And for this collection, is replica or not?
In front of this building. Alright, Cirebon room. This is called Cirebon Cannon, which was contact Portuguese in Sunda Kelapa. Out of smile, but it is weighed 350 and made of bronze. Beside the cannon, we can see a pulpit form of Batavia.
Next.
Alright, this is a miniature of Batavia Newkirk. The miniature of Duke Newkirk or the New Holland Seeker, which was destroyed in 1808 because of earthquake in Batavia. Now we can see this building as Pabat Museum or Museum Wayang. And this is statue of Prince of Jayakarta. He was the king of Jayakarta with his real name Prince Wijaya Kramat.
The next, for the last one.
Alright, before we end the tour, do you have any question?
No.
If there's no more question, I think this is the end of our tour. We apologize if there's any inconvenience here, and thank you for visiting this museum. I hope you enjoyed the tour and it's very nice to meet you. See you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Jakarta History Museum. First of all, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dinda, and I will guide you around to see the collection in this museum. But before that, I would like to tell you the history of this building. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this building was built in 1707 under the reign of Governor General John Van Horn and was finished in 1710 by the Governor General Abraham van Riebeeck. It was initially used as city town hall and also a court of justice. And on March 30, 1974, this building was inaugurated as Jakarta History Museum by the Governor of DKI Jakarta, Mr. Ali Sadikin.
What's your name?
My name is Dee.
And how long you studying here?
I study here from December until February.
Next question.
Hello, my name is Kiani. I'm from 73 Vocational High School. I would like to tell you, I would like to explain about Tarumanagara Room. Tarumanagara Room is a Hindu kingdom, and in this room there are inscriptions. The first inscription, there are a Chiaratan inscription. Chiaratan inscription was found at Bogor in 1863, and in this inscription there are footprints of Purnawarman king, and beside of these footprints there are Sanskrit. Sanskrit is such like an old language that ancient people was used. And the second one, there are a Tubun Kopi inscription. Tubun Kopi inscription, there are footprints of elephant. Elephant was named as Airawata. Airawata is such like a transportation was used when Purnawarman king was lead the Tarumanagara Room.
In Tarumanagara Malaysia, we have like 3 inscriptions, right? And for the inscription in here, just replica or not?
The inscription in Tarumanagara Room is just a replica, not full.
Next question.
Hello, my name is Nandita. I'm from 73 Vocational High School. This is the painting Sultan Agung, which telling about the battle between Sultan Agung troops from Mataram Kingdom and VOC troops in 1628 until 1629 in Batavia.
And who the painter of the last painting in here? The painter. The name of the painter.
Hello, my name is Fatia Saniro. I'm from 73 Vocational High School. So this is a miniature of Velvet ship or Batavian ship. This ship used to carry spices from Batavia to the Netherlands. But the ship sank in Australian Sea when the ship carried the gates of Batavia, and its fragments are neatly stored in Australia.
Yeah. And can you tell me how long one came from Netherlands to Indonesia?
6 months until 1 year.
Next question.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Naila Cantika. I'm from Pandawa Budi Luhur High School, and I want to tell you about the miniature, the old Dutch kirk. The kirk is built in 1640, but was destroyed because earthquake Krakatau in 1808.
Next question.
My name is Nova Rajwa. I'm from 73 Vocational High School. So this is the end of in this museum. Thank you for visiting Jakarta History Museum and have a nice day.
Alright, we are in room 1527. Here there is a sword of justice which has pieces with mentioned to execute for honors. This punishment has two punishment, namely hanging and beheading.
Can you tell me where it's found in Indonesia?
In front of this building.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Jakarta Historical Museum. Let me introduce myself. My name is Noval, and I will help you to see the collection and this museum. But before that, I want to talk about the history of this building. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the building was established under the region of 1707 by the Governor General John Van Horn and finished in 1710 by the Governor General Abraham van Riebeeck. The building
in use a town hall and also court of justice. On March 13, 1974, the building this was inaugurated and used Jakarta Historical Museum by the Governor Mr. Ali Sadikin.
Your name is Nauta, right?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from Tambun.
And how long you studying in here?
3 months and December and finish February.
Right, the next question.
Alright, we're now Tarumanagara. Before colonizing the Netherlands, there were several local kingdoms, which was India Kingdom, which was we're now Tarumanagara. Before colonizing the Netherlands, there were several local kingdoms, one of which was Tarumanagara, which was a Hindu kingdom, so they have invited Togut and Buddhists in Indian religion.
So from this one, we have like the 4 statue, right? So for the statue in here is replica or not?
No, it's just replica.
Right. Okay, the next question.
Okay, next round table. This round table, we see the meeting table. It was made of one piece of teakwood with diameter 222 meters. On that large partition, we can see the carving of goodness of bird of Greek mythology health theme.
Who the material from the moonscape or sketcher?
Made from teakwood.
Nice. The next question.
In this courtroom, design uses a court of justice room. This room is also used for library in the past. There are big bookcases which was used for saving all the history books. The biggest case was decorated with 2 statues, the goddess of truth and goddess of justice statues.
Who the material?
Made of made of teakwood.
Next question.
Is proof of the environment between in Sunda Kingdom and the Portuguese 1522.
And for the other inscription is replica or not? The next question.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the group up new church, the new Alaska. Which was destroyed in 1980 because the earthquake in Batavia. Now we can see this building as a museum or museum Maya.
And the next question.
Now we are in the dungeon. There are 5 rooms for men with the same size. It's 6 meters long and 3 meters wide. Inside there are big metal balls which were chained to their ankles. One cell can for more than 30 people.
For the jail for men, how many jail in here? How many jail for men?
5.
Next question.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before we end the tour, do you have any question?
No.
Alright, if there are no more questions, I think this is the end of our tour. We apologize if there are any inconvenience here, and thank you for visiting this museum. I hope you do enjoy the tour, and it is very nice to meet you. See you.
By
my name is Fauzan Ramadan from Bandawa Budi Luhur Senior High School. Now we are at the Buni's room. People in Buni didn't believe about religion, but they believe about reincarnation. If you can see in the top school, they have a pottery. It's called Pottery Buni. This pottery have function, so they put all accessories on in this pottery. Any question?
Of Justice. In the middle of the room is the reading table of the Justice Court. And there are two caves with first decorated with two statues, Goddess of Truth and Goddess of Justice. And this is a large painting. This painting is a picture of Petrus Albertus van der Para. He is governor of the Dutch Indies. Under his administration, there were a lot of corruption, which finally made the VOCs collapse in 1793.
Can you tell me who the next question?
I'm Rifat Elisa. So I will explain about this screen. This screen was made in 18th century detail carving, and on the upper arc it shows six symbols where VOC resided. In the middle part is symbol of Batavia City, and the room screen has like this barocco style, and middle part of this screen is carving of a knight carrying a moor with Medusa's head. Its decoration.
The material of this one screen?
Well, my name is Nabila Aulia. I'm from 73 National High School. So this red wallpaper. This red wallpaper tells about when the Netherlands people come to the Banda Neira Island because the Netherlands people wants to take species from Banda Neira Island. The name is nutmeg. Actually, Jakarta have four names. The first name is Sunda Kelapa. The second name is Jayakarta. The third name is Batavia, and the last name is Jakarta until now. This room have two maps. Is Jayakarta map. Before the Netherlands people come to the Jayakarta city and they destroyed the city and they change name from Jayakarta to Batavia, and this is Batavia maps after the Netherlands people come to this city and they made new city because they want to control the city. Location this museum in M.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Nikoyana Putri and I'm from SMK Kadal Budi Luhur Senior High School. This is called Cirebon Cannon, which was used to attack Portuguese in Sunda Kelapa, although small, but it has weight 350 kilograms and the made of the bronze.
My name is Lara Kiasatina from Bakti Kartini. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before we end this session, does anyone want to ask something collection? If no one asks, let's end the session. We're apologies if there is something wrong with our service. Thank you for visiting this museum. Have a good day.
Yeah, we just have so many technologies like food.
Oh, it's cheap, yeah.
It's
This is called Cirebon Cannon, which was used to attack Portuguese in Sunda Kelapa. Although small, but it has weight 350 kilograms and made of bronze.
This kind of plants actually use in dowry as well, like wedding gifts.
So the title of this painting is The Attack of Mataram Kingdom.
Well, next question. This is processing. This ship was used in addition to being used for time expedition and was used to bring to the gate of the city of Batavia. But sadly, before the ship arrived at Batavia, the ship is sank in Australian waters.
Yeah, this is, you may say this is the first one that plays.
The first one,
yes,
came to the harbor.
Yeah, and bring the Jebekun. And they use this ship to go down.
Kita dapat berkumpul di Museum Sejarah Jakarta pada hari ini. Juga yang pertama-tama saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Papi dan para instruktur sekalian, juga teman-teman saya yang saya sayangi dan saya banggakan. Terus kesan-pesan PKL itu kesannya sangat menyenangkan. Kesannya mungkin apa ya? Pesannya ya mungkin AC. Mungkin AC-nya mungkin dibanyakin lagi atau enggak apa? Serius ya.
Yang terhormat selaku dari Kepala PKL Bapak siapa? Yang terhormat Bapak Alex dan yang teman saya ini namanya Pak Sap. Yang Pak Jason namanya. Pak Jason dan Pak Bendi, Pak Didi dan kameramen Pak Didi. Ya, kesan-kesan saya. Kesan-kesan saya yang kesan-kesan saya alhamdulillah bisa menerima pengalaman di sini ya dan bisa berinteraksi dengan
Akhirnya itu orang baik. Bekas kalian itu kotor. Jangan lupa ya, sampahnya dikumpulkan.
ya untuk etiket dulu ya sama teman-teman ya. Langsung dimasukin ke
Saya Michelle dari SMK Patria Wisata kelompok 10. Saya mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kepada para instruktur dan Pak Alex karena sudah mau menerima kami untuk ber-PKL di sini. Saya juga senang karena punya teman-teman baru, bisa belajar memandu, terus punya banyak pengalaman di sini.
Oke, udah.
Halo semuanya, selamat sore. Perkenalkan nama aku Naila, aku dari SMK Pandawa Budi Luhur, kelompok 9. Saya di sini ingin berterima kasih kepada para instruktur dan juga teman-teman semua yang sudah menerima kami untuk bersosialisasi di Museum Sejarah Jakarta bersama-sama. Segitu aja. Terima kasih.
Oke.
Pesan saya di sini cuma satu.
Kenalin nama dulu, nama kelompok, nama sekolah. Oke. Ayo.
Perkenalkan nama saya Aspar. Saya dari sekolah SMK Pandawa dari kelompok 8 ingin menyampaikan pesan bahwa kita tahu Pak.
Halo semuanya, sebelumnya perkenalkan nama saya Ida. Saya dari SMK Pandawa Budi Luhur, saya dari kelompok 8. Di sini saya mau menyampaikan kesan saya selama PKL di Museum Sejarah Jakarta.
Jakarta. Saya dari kelompok 7. Di sini saya mau memberikan kesan saya selama ber-PKL di sini. Kesan saya tuh di sini sangat menyenangkan ya, karena saya dapat pelajaran yang sangat banyak di sini. Jadi saya belajar tentang banyak hal di sini. Saya bisa berinteraksi sama pengunjung. Terus skill dalam berkomunikasi juga semakin meningkat. Jadi ya sangat berkesan banget saya ber-PKL di sini.
Nah, terima kasih juga udah mengajarkan kami selama kami PKL di sini. Itu aja.
Udah, oke, tepuk tangan. Tim pemandu dan juga tim instruktur mengucapkan selamat kepada kalian semua, udah bisa bicara, udah bisa memandu dan lain sebagainya ya. Mohon maaf apabila ada kekurangan dalam kami membimbing, kami menilai dan sebagainya ya. Terima kasih.
Halo semuanya, nama saya Moza. Saya berasal dari SMK Negeri 73 Jakarta. Saya dari kelompok 6. Saya ingin mengatakan pesan dan kesan saya selama PKL di Museum Sejarah Jakarta. Memberi kesempatan kami untuk PKL di sini dan juga telah membimbing kami dalam setiap kelompok. Dan juga saya dari kelompok 6 dari SMK 73, mohon maaf apabila dari anggota saya dan diri saya mengalami kesalahan dalam guiding atau dalam PKL di Museum Sejarah Jakarta ini.
Udah, oke, tepuk tangan.